This April, you're invited. From the 21st to the 23rd, Grid Connect is excited to host a larger-than-life display at this year's Melbourne Home Show, being held at the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre. Entry is free. Meet the team behind Australia's largest and most innovative smart home platform. Whether you're choosing which smart home products you'd like to use or are wanting to learn more about what smart home can do for you, our team is excited to meet you and discuss what our products can do and how we can help. Walk through our fully kitted out display home and learn about the past, present and future of our exciting range of products. Smart home is more than sensor lights and smart timers. It's about finding creative solutions to problems you didn't even realise could be fixed. We can't wait to see you there. Just look for the Grid logo.